All right, so this is my interactive scratch video slash game, I guess you could call it. It is zoned towards the kindergarten age, so I tried to make it so that they didn't need a lot of help with it. So the first thing you would do is just read the directions, pretty much just telling you, making sure your volume is up because the girl in the video is gonna quote unquote say some directions, which is actually me narrating. Be patient, don't rush through. To begin, plus press the space bar and follow the directions. All right, so this game is just, I made it so that kindergartners just kind of get practice number sense, practice their addition, just understanding like the value of a number. What does 5 mean? What does 3 plus 3 mean? Things like that. So I did it by, if it'll let me click, there we go. I did it by ordering. I really like to be organized on this. So I ordered like this is the first thing that happened, this is the second, this is the third, fourth, so on and so on. And I did that for everything. So press the space bar to start. And at this point, they would hopefully just think 1, 2, 3, 3 donuts. And then next, we have 3. We want to get 3 more. Hopefully they're starting to think about that because on this side, it'll show all 6 donuts, 3 plus 3. If they were to say something like 7, it'll say,
try again.
Try again. And then if they click 6, which is the right answer.
You're right. 3 plus 3 equals 6.
Just to give them a little bit of a description. Then next we just, let's see, we're down here.
Count the number of balloons on the screen by clicking each one so it pops.
And then they'll just add, so they'll go 1, 2, 3, 4.
Awesome job. We can actually make an equation out of the balloons you popped. You popped 2 that she was holding and 2 that were set up next to the pool. 2 plus 2 equals 4.
All right, and then they just press C to go to the next slide. Click on it. Then count the candles. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So they know that there's 5 candles. And just in case they didn't get that, I gave a little bit of an explanation. Then they're going to click E. And it's the night of the party. All right, so they had 4 balloons, as we know. So we have our 4 balloons, and we had our 6 donuts. And then they're going to ask you to add up all of the decorations, which was the 1 cake, 4 balloons, and 6 donuts. So they're going to add all of that.
You should have counted 4 balloons, 6 donuts, and 1 cake. 4 plus 6 is 10, plus 1 is 11. After you're done decorating, click the spacebar to reset the game.
And then they can obviously, if they want to recount in some way, organize it, 2 plus 2, 2 balloons over here, 2 balloons over here. They can explore, they have unlimited time on this slide, so they can explore that as they wish. And then again, just the spacebar resets everything. So, I mean, in all, it really is just to give kindergartners helping them with their number sense, just practice with all of that in a little interactive game. So yeah.